This is my secret weapon for balancing any camera on any gimbal. We got a 24-70 on a 1DX Mark II on a Zhiyune Crane stick. Yo, Josh, yo. Tonight I thought I'd do a super quick episode on counterweights. I left all of these in the description below. If you guys want to support this new channel of mine, please buy it through Amazon. I get 1 penny of every purchase. At least the money goes to me and not some dude in China that you don't know. Super simple. Underneath the Crane 2, there's really no place to stick 4 counterweights, but there is a 1/4-inch thread. There's actually a couple of them. So I'm using the center one right here. I basically bought a cheese plate for 20 bucks. I picked the widest spots on the cheese plate to mount these. That way it makes it a little bit easier for balancing. If the weights are closer, it's a little bit harder. The cheese plate comes with a little 1/4-inch screw. Throw this bad boy right up in there. The spot that I'm mounting it on is this one. Putting it through. And then you really want to crank it down. I would even recommend some Loctite. It's actually pretty damn good. And then you're gonna wanna go through the whole balancing process. Generally, when I'm balancing gimbals, I do the forward-back axes first, just to kind of like center it up. And then I do left-right. That's pretty good. The last major one is gonna be the top-bottom, which the easy way to figure out if it's top-heavy or bottom-heavy is to put it on its side like this, and if it sits still, it's perfect. If it rolls forward, it's top-heavy. If it rolls back, it's bottom heavy. Bottom heavy. Slide this forward a little bit. Perfect. If you're using a heavy camera like a 1DX Mark II, it's very top heavy and you can't physically bring it down low enough. Lower the center of gravity by using counterweights. Now I have seen people taking the screws out of this and making this thing sit lower. I would not recommend that. You can void your warranty doing it that way. This way is non-destructive. If you balance it correctly, it's not gonna wear out your motors, but just make sure that you are balancing all axes, forward, left, right, top, vertical, also this one. The last little bit of information here is you're gonna wanna turn the settings on to strong. There we go, motor. And you want to put it on high. Now you guys can go Peter McKinnon it and just get all that creamy slow-mo on a freaking... I'm still blown away. If you guys like this and you found this helpful, I would be honored if you subscribe. This is a brand new channel for me. I'll start pumping out some more videos. This is Josh Yo saying thank you very much. Stay creative. Go make some art.